In order to drain the fluid from the transmission, we need to carefully remove all the bolts. Unfortunately, this transmission does not come with a drain bolt. The trick to this is to control the flow of the fluid, just by removing some bolts and loosening others. Now we remove the pan all the way. Then we work on removing the filter. Be careful and try not to break it like I did. But if you did, it's not a big deal. Next we remove the filter collar. This collar basically holds the filter snug. It's always good to remove the old one and install the new one. Be very careful that you do not damage the aluminum housing. Here's the new filter kit. It comes with a filter, gasket, and collar. Here's the Wix part number. I think Wix is a great brand. To install the new filter, we must first insert the new collar. Use a socket that fits perfectly around the collar and a hammer. This will allow you to easily install that new collar. Now we grab our new Wix filter and push it into place. It does take a little effort, but not much. You want to properly clean the transmission pan as well as the magnet. The cleaner it is, the better. Next we place our pan gasket and carefully install our clean transmission pan. We tighten down our pan bolts lightly with our impact gun on its lowest settings. Then we bust out our torque wrench and tighten it down to 10 foot-pounds or 14 Newton meters. Finally, it's time to fill our transmission fluid. The manufacturer says 7.4 quarts or 7 liters from bottom pan removal. I say start with 7 quarts, start the vehicle, let it warm up, shift through the prindle, and check your dipstick level. Add as needed. Finally, look underneath and check for leaks.